If your computer is currently harmed by malware or viruses, then in this video I'm going to show you one secret and free tool that comes within Windows 10, Windows 11, or whichever Windows you're running, that this will help you to completely remove all malware and viruses from your computer. So all you have to do, guys, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in run. You will click on the run here, and once this little window opens up, you want to simply type in MRT and simply hit enter. Right, you'll get a pop-up on your computer, and this pop-up will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just simply click on yes. Now have a look at this. You will see the secret tool up here, and it's Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Right, it's a tool that has been there for almost forever, and this tool, it is so useful, and it will help you to clean up and remove all malware and viruses from your computer. So all you have to do is just simply click on next. You have three options. You have a quick scan, full scan, and a customized scan. You can choose whichever option you want, and once you do that, just simply click on next and allow it to scan your computer for all of those viruses. So this will take the time to scan for you, and it will completely remove all of those malware from your computer. Trust me, this is a really incredible tool. It is free, it is there, you don't need any third-party tool. Just go ahead and use this one tool that comes built in within Microsoft Windows, and you will see how useful and valuable this tool is. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.